my case, this keyboard was built by me. What? It took a long time to build. Please do not eat the keyboard. Please do not eat the keyboard. It's not licorice. Also, I recorded how I made the keyboard, and it will be on YouTube. Thanks for all the laughs. I enjoyed
Yo,
the streams a
W
lot.
keyboard, though.
Also, if you want to use the keyboard wirelessly, it is wireless. It has a
Yes, Chad, it was a fork. You got a problem?
dongle. What's a dongle?
Yeah, what is a dongle?
To the left side of the keyboard, just make sure to charge it. Enjoy the keyboard from Jax Ite. Chat, give me some W's for Jax Ite with the custom-made keyboard, man. W
I'm gonna
Jax
hook
Ite.
this
Up when I end stream tonight. I'm gonna use this keyboard from now on.
And I did.
Wait, this is great. Chat, dude, am I that large?
That's crazy.
Oh my goodness, there's no way I'm this large. Yo, Harp with the 5, get the APAC with the 5. Large.